Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys Samsung phone guys lock screen setup. Friends, you want to set up your lock screen on your Samsung phone device. So friends, how to set up lock screen? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to set up lock screen on Samsung phone. Friends, click on phone setting. After on phone setting page, you can see this type interface. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on lock screen setting and friends click on your screen lock type. And friends, you want to set pattern lock. Friends, you want to set pin lock. And friends, you want to set password. Friends, I will select pin lock. And friends, I will enter 1 2 3 4. And friends, don't do any mistake. If you do mistake friends, you will have to reset your Samsung phone. Friends, you can see remember your pin. If you forget, you will have to reset your phone. So friends, now we will check at this pin lock setting. So guys, now you can see enter pin. So when you will enter your pin friends, now you can unlock your Samsung phone. So like that friends, you can set a lock screen password. And friends, you want to change your lock screen password. So friends, again click on lock screen setting, screen lock type, and enter your password. Friends, now you want to use pattern lock. So when you can draw pattern and you can use continue, confirm. Friends, you can see lock screen password will change. And friends, now we have pattern lock, so we can unlock our Samsung phone, draw pattern lock. So like that friends, you can use your screen lock setting, you can set up. And friends, you want to use your name password lock on your lock screen, so you can select and enter your name password. And first on this icon, friends, check your name spelling and enter it. Okay friends, you can see pattern lock will remove. And friends, now we have name password lock on lock screen. So guys, when we will enter our name, guys, phone will unlock. So friends, like that you can set up guys your lock screen as pin password lock, pattern password and name password. And friends, you don't want to use any password on your lock screen, you want to remove your lock screen password. Friends, click on phone setting, lock screen, and friends click on screen lock type, and then enter your password and continue. Friends, click on swipe option and friends come back. Friends, you can see lock screen password will remove on our Samsung phone. So guys, we can swipe to open Samsung phone. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to set up a screen lock on Samsung mobile. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubts, so you can ask me in comment section. Friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.